Shalom everyone, Ate I once again. For today's vlog, I wanna share you the conjugation of infinitive verb to attack. In Hebrew, litkof. Again, pag-aaralan natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Okay guys, bow not kill. To attack, litkof. Present tense, attack. For masculine singular, tokef. Ani, tokef. Ata, tokef. Hu, tokef. Present tense, attack. For feminine singular, tokefet. Ani, tokefet. At, tokefet. He, tokefet. Present tense, attack. For masculine plural or mixed gender, tokfim. Anakno, tokfim. Atem, tokfim. Hem, tokfim. Present tense, attack. For feminine plural, tokfut. Anakno, tokfut. Aten, tokfut. Hen, tokfut. Okay guys, for past tense, attacked. Takafti. Takafta. Takaft. Takaf. Takfa. Takafno. Takaftem. Takaften. Takfu. Takfu. Okay guys, for future tense, will attack. Ani, etkof. Ata, titkof. At, titkefi. Hu, yitkof. He, titkof. Anachno, nitkof. Atem, titkefu. Aten, titkofna. Hem, yitkifu. Hen, titkofna. Okay guys, ito naman ang imperative or ang command. Imperative, attack. For masculine singular, tikof. Imperative, attack. For feminine singular, tikfi. Imperative, attack. For masculine plural, tikfo. Imperative, attack. For feminine plural, tikofna. Okay guys, this is the end for today's vlog. At napapanahon ngayon ang word na attack dahil sa kaguluhang nangyayari dyan sa Israel. At paalala lang po, dobling pag-iingat. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para lagi kayong ma-notify kapag may bagong upload na videos. Guys, see you on my next vlog. Hamon-hamon to dali kolkem. God bless you all. Lihit raot.